Ihan hanboina akoi hojik chapter number 17 our environment hai chapter si ingsi ihan hanboina akoi environment hai si keni ingsi han our environment hari bane chapter ingsi adu environment si keno han genda si environment hai base sida su ire environment means everything in our surroundings akoi belaiba khudimakpu pochai leiba akoi pochai myam lei living non living mayam lei makoi sindubuni akoi environment hai je koi surroundings jibuni aduda environment je koi physical environment hai bam lei physical environment or abiotic environment or non living environment ko non living environment non living oiba aduma makhalgi pochai myam lei some of the air water mayama they are all non living makoi je physical environment singi aduga biotic environment haibam magalei biotic environment study koi living components singni ko uwa sanga mayama akoi lei makoi singuna koi living or biotic environment mathangda yingsi effect of population on the environment haibam population na maram oiraga environment piva effect koi human population adumak increase tawragadi aikoi basic needs samna haibada food water shelter adu tanatana electricity ko makhal changdaba yadraba mayam ama lei hariba changdraba yadraba mayam asi aikoi gi environment depend tobadina aikoi da daka tariba resources sing gi demand yamna leirei haiba demand mayam leirakpanina aikoina leiba environments da leiba resources sing loinama mayam ama sinei henjin sinei maramaduna physically chemically amasung biologically environment change to holi masije population na piba environment population na piba effect ni mathangda solid waste disposal a lot of materials in the form of solid waste and sewage are added to the environment due to our daily activities. These materials create a great problem in our natural environment if they are not properly managed because they are beyond the capacity of nature to degrade it. Solid waste mama aikoi environment aikoi na sinabagi waste mama aikoi na dumping towi aikoi gi akoi bada koi environment hariba waste ma'am sing asi nature na degradation tobagi beyond the capacity ni maramaduna pollution gumba mayam thole masina solid waste disposal gini degradation nature na degradation tobangam dabaduna maram oiraga environmental pollution mayam tholi aduna solid waste fazana aikoi sinagadabani henjana sina roidabani adu tanatana mafam sana disposal togadabani habni yo biodegradable substances habdi naturally ko harmless product oina degradation to bongam bahai tare adu makali substances sing do adubu biodegradable substance ko sida su iri those substances that can be broken down naturally into harmless products through the action of fungi bacteria and other living organisms. Examples of PD food waste, organic waste, urine, fecal matter, paper, leather, wood cloth, livestock waste, agricultural waste. They are all biodegradable substances because they can be degraded naturally without releasing harmful products released toraga haitare. Harmful effects of biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances singi harmful effects like destroy natural beauty and surrounding becomes dirty hai haibadi biodegradable substances singse degradation to buna matam changi aduna moise natural beauty da moina destroy tawi amasung surroundings sing dirty oheli. Second point da decomposition of these substances produce force smell which spread to the surrounding areas and manam namthiali degradation taunaba decomposition taunana be damakta makhoi je decompose over horokpa haitare adum badagi manam namthiba manam sing magi akoiba area singda manam spread tawi similarly aduga third point da they may also block the drain creating pools of waste which becomes the breeding ground of mosquitoes and drain sing block tokseli haiba biodegradable substances singna drain sing ising zendaba adumba ising zendaba tunga le pham sing che karino amot pa ising sing drain gumbada tunga le pham se mosquito singi breeding ground ni mokhoi du breeding to bangami aduna mosquito sing yamni marang kaina le kani breeding yamna hena to kani habni aduna drain sing luna na thammu hari do si madam ni mathangda non biodegradable substances biologically degradation to ngamda bahai tare naturally degradation to ngamda substances indubuni koina non biodegradable substances example the ire koi plastic glass synthetic fibers chemicals heavy metals insecticides pesticides radioactive waste etc makoi singje koi non biodegradable substances ni mathangda harmful effects of non-biodegradable substances. Non-biodegradable substances singna piba harmful effects sing first moinde yengji non-biodegradable substances enter the food chains and their concentration goes on increasing from one trophic level to the next, leading to the biological magnification of harmful substances. Non-biodegradable substances singsina food chain da makhoi si yausangi yausalakanda magi concentration je ikoi food chain da khangi trophic level amadagi trophic level amada setpa matamda adumak kedore magi non-biodegradable substances singi concentration henkahli maramaduna biological magnification thohan banga male ham next up ecosystem yengzi the interactions between organisms in an area together with the non-living component of the environment. Ecosystem has interaction ni kana living organisms in the living interaction aduta natana atopa non-living components in environmental labor non-living components in habadi interaction between the biotic components as well as with the abiotic components that is called living and non-living components in interaction with the ecosystem. Aduna interaction sida makhal ani leye koina yengsi interaction among the components of the ecosystem. Ecosystem ki components sida koina interaction makhal ani lei. First ki interaction singji interaction among the biotic components hai. Biotic component koi living components singi marakta lebe interaction example makhakoina ini piri herbivorous animals are again eaten by carnivorous animals. This is an interaction. Herbivorous animals singje carnivorous animals sina amkamu sai masi interaction amani masi biotic components singi makta lebe interaction ni mathangda interaction between the biotic and abiotic components ama yengsi magi example ma piri yengi hoina water and carbon dioxide are used by plants during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis tobu matamda water amasung carbon dioxide se plants singna losali photosynthesis tawna be damata masu interaction amani water carbon dioxide haibase this is a biotic component aduga plants sing the biotic component ni biotic component a biotic component gi marakta interaction amani haibadi carbon dioxide amasung water se plants sing nasine kedona be damakta photosynthesis tawna be damakta masisu interaction amani sumaina interaction among biotic and abiotic components similar mathangda akoina food chain haibase yangzi food chain is the sequence of living organisms showing who consumes who to transfer food and energy. Food chain haibase chain amani living organisms singda leiba sequential oiba chain amani kaidonanabagi damak food amasung energy transfer tawnanabagi damakta aduna food chain sa akoina yengba yabda makhal yengsi da food chain in nature koi nature da leiba food chain makhal yengsi sida amam example amam piri mayamasu lei adu amam piri yeng forest in forest da leiba food chain ama plant se deer na sai deer is tiger na sai this is a food chain ado grassland amada leiba food chain yengsi grass se grasshopper num sai adu frog the snail amasung eagle in the same way in ponds phytoplankton sing zooplankton sing asai ade fish simu bird asai sumaina food chain se sumaina in forest in grassland in a pond sumaina lei exam da su haiba sidi marakta gi ama hekta khangba yai grassland gi food chain ami yu kaina mathangda significance of food chain tawbagi significance kaino yingse by studying a food chain we can understand the food relations and interactions among the various organisms in our ecosystem. Food chain study tawbadagi akoina kari khangba ngami hagadi food relationship amasung interactions sing khangba ngami ecosystem da leiba tungan ba organisms singi marakta leiba interaction amasung relation sing food relation sing khangba ngame food chain study tawraga aduga second point da mechanism of transfer of food energy and nutrients through the various components of nature can be understood through the food chain food transfer tawbagi mechanism energy haibadi food energy nutrients transfer tawbagi mechanism kadaida through various components of nature da khangmangami kedaroga food chain study toroga mathangda trophic levels or energy level haibase kening si the various steps or levels through which the food energy passes are called trophic levels or energy levels. Various steps amasung levels through which the food energy pass are called trophic levels. Koi trophic level amasung energy level haibase kaino hai steps mayam amani amasung level mayam amani high level steps amasung level mayam sing sida food energy sing transfer tawi ko sida koina lay ke heda 10% low haina main source of energy zikai sandegi lai kanana producer singna lawi producer singna mu tonga ba consumer level singda energy transfer tawen aduna ma se trophic level na tagan energy level hain kangai koina first trophic level yaw bisi kening ji producers is a green plants sing mana mainly akoi gi leiba energy level na trophic level zamana energy provide tawtini karigi namaze producer ko ise haibagi mamda tongan ba consumer singi levels mayam amalei makoi na daka ta dariba makoi mayam singdugi ihan hanba energy supply to the producer sing tawi and producers in green plants sing jibu hoina producers sing khanai second trophic level da kaino herbivore and consumer of the first or herbivore and consumer of the first order constitute the second trophic level. Herbivore amasung consumer of first order constitute the second trophic level. First trophic level na koi producer le re khang re. Second trophic level then mainly I koi herbivore side di kai no hai ga di green plants and saba adu mokhal gi animals ni koi herbivore side aduna makoi sing na kai da second trophic level le lei hai ba di producer sing je herbivore sin sa ni. Third trophic level di hu third trophic level simu kai no second trophic level sa riba second trophic level da leiba animals sindubu third trophic level ki animals na sai have the primary carnivore sing secondary consumer of the second order have the mainly herbivore sing kanana primary carnivore sing na sare aduna primary carnivore sing je kadai de sing third trophic level sing have the herbivore sing do sa duri bani moina sa ba hi da keno to ise energy transfer to iniko first trophic level say second trophic level the labor animals in sarani aduna first trophic level the second trophic level the energy transfer to be second trophic level the labor animals in the third trophic level no musaduni third trophic level gi animals in the second trophic level gi animals in energy transfer to adumina fourth trophic level is the third trophic level na agomu energy transfer adumina energy je sumaina chali masida koi 10% lo 10% energy chali and 10% lo haina so amale madu dis diaw madu hair class da mani aduda magi food pyramid sigi haita trophic level sigi pyramid no koi wi sida makha da producer le primary consumer secondary consumer tertiary consumer ina koi si ure mathang ni yang je koi food web. Food web is the interlocking of different food chains by developing interconnections at various trophic levels so as to form a number feeding interactions in a biotic community. Biotic or community ama the interlockings of food chains mayama develop tauba makoi interconnections leba ko adubu ni koina food web aise food web ama de koi food chains mayama yaugi arni madi linear oina sate kom food web sedari ke doba toan ba food chains mayam am punjal laga makoi interconnection sing leirani ko develop to rani madu duni koina food web haise aduga koi the difference ama ure food chain ga food web ka khenaba it follows a single path hai food chain da food chain je koi single path am da follow to sabani koi manda su ure textbook da su adum ure yaw bani koina food chain makhal hum ibado grassland gi forest gi amasung pond ecosystem gi ado food web tadi ke doba interconnection passing ni mangon interconnection passing habadi food chain mayam ama interconnect to duri bani na second point it has maximum 5 to 6 populations hai food chain ama tadi 5 to 6 populations maximum de lebi hai adubu food web ama tadi numerous populations mayam lebi hai third point a disturbance in the food chain is very difficult to overcome. Food chain ama da disturbance ama piragadi madu dubu amuk hanna overcome toba da yamna wan to yamna thoki da buzai food chain dum pura kai gi buzai adubu pura kai gi vana yamani adubu food web tadi kayama disturbance ama leiraba food web ta ma ilai na overcome toba ngame ko masima na third point ni fourth point only one type of organism is used as food by a particular type of species food chain the particular type of species amana only one type of organism amabu food oina sinaye adubu ekoi food web tadi organism amana kedoba tongan ba food mayama species of food mayama sai masina food web ne sina differences between food and food web legre mathang the roles of insects in an ecosystem ama da leiba insects in the role insects are good prey for many other animals like spiders toads and birds insects hai base good prey ni koi predator prey hai bdu na khangamani ko insects in the good prey ni kanagi animals like spiders sing torch amasung birds singi good prey mani masi machinja oina sinai kanani spiders sing torch amasung birds singi similarly aduga honey bee singna koi gi damakta honey bee je ko kangi insects are base pollinators and help in pollination in plants insects in the base pollinators ni ko mana moina pollination thon bangai pollination thon bangami ko aduna plants in pollination tauba duda insects singna base pollinators or base pollinating agent oi hamne ko pollination abduni yang khanga baduni plants singda enter the stigma the pollen grain sing transfer to bugi process to go pollination hai next thing is insects help in the dispersal of spores spores in dispersed to no by the multi insects in dispersed to them third next point caterpillars set medicinal values caterpillars sing moi medicinal values they moi the medicines in produce of medicines in same ai adu moi medicinal values sing lay sima khange caterpillars are knowing khangabani effects of killing all insects insects sing heart padagi kai kai thon biya bage have insects sing manghan ba tahan badagi kai thon biya bage the population of grass will increase insects sing je manghala badi ke doba hatokra badi population of grass increase okani next up the population of insect eating animals will decrease insect charaga leiba animals sing gi masing decrease torkani kaino hai machinja leitrabi moi siba tamni third suba point is the insect eaters will disturb other food chains in seeking their food other than the insects insect eaters insect feeding torgal animals insect eaters sing se makoin atopa food chain sing the disturbance mama period ani kaino hack ba mata makoi survive tungnabagi makoi leiba ngamnabagi damakta atopa food chain sing the machinjak thiba atopa food chain machinjak thiba changani moina disturbance mama pirani next up effects of human activities on environment human activities in the PV effecting you see different activities pollute the environment okay environmental pollution ki matana me ama legre ko soil kamai pollute to air kamai pollute to ko mayam khangre haiba ma'am since ko human activities in a thon mane to ko loi khangabni unlimited exploitation of nature by men disturb the delicate ecological balance between the living and non-living components of the biosphere. Across the living and non-living components in the lariba ecological balance say must disturbance by the human activities in the third super point the unfavorable conditions created by man himself threaten the survival not only of man himself but also of the other living organisms. Human activities मैमना unfavorable ओइबा conditions मैमा create तवी कदाई द एकोई environment ता मसीना एकोई human beings एकोई खत्ता दा threaten तो बनता अतोप्पा organism अतोप्पा living organisms मैमा दसु मसीना threat भी को हाई बसिंग human activities in environment ता पीबा अदु मुखलगी effects ni human activities in the environment pollute to thopa environment destroy to ba adu mo mayam dagi tholopi effects ni next ozone layer depletion ingzi ozone is a deadly poisonous gas formed by 3 atoms of oxygen oxygen ki atom humna form to ba adu mo khagi deadly poisonous gas ni ozone hai baje ozone mathau yengsi ozone filters away the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects the earth from its harmful effects such as changes in climate and ecological balance destructions of cells and organisms mutation skin cancer etc ozone filter away ultraviolet radiation sing radiation dagi ado art ta thokadaba harmful effects sing hyper raising harmful effects mama piba yai adu sindoman protect tabi kai kari hair gadi yemi changes in climate and ecological variance, destruction of cells and microorganisms, mutation causing skin cancer. Mutation haibse noina khange mutation haibse koine gene sequence change tawpa gene sequence phongtong din tawpa adugi aduni ko mainly koine khange cancer sing cause hoje ekoi mutation no cause tobe gene no cause tobe adu khange mutation ne mar skin cancer ko tope UV rays singna yeibadagi skin cancer thopu ya herni ko kemo ozone layer depletion de ragi dhemne causes of ozone layer depletion je matok ko thoi bano asin presence of synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbon used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers amasung refrigerators singda ikoina chlorofluorocarbon je yawi chlorofluorocarbon je exposed to thokpana maram oiraga ozone layer depletion cause to be main cause keno chlorofluorocarbon asita sunate second point je like the out male nitric oxide amasung hydroxyl radicals sing karamba supersonic jet sing amasung volcanic eruption sing dagi produce opoduna su ozone layer depletion thonda ta mateng pangi next last point ozone layer depletion gi damakta efforts in kai lokat ki abuni in 1987 the United Nations Environment Program UNEP succeeded in organizing a conference to reduce the level of CFCs to 50% by 1999 1987 da UNEP na conference ama pangdoi ko conference da high se kai no high gadi by 1999 da CFC gi level haite chlorofluorocarbon gi level se 50% da reduce over isin this is effort amani ko next efforts have also been made to substitute ozone depleting CFCs by other chemicals and CFC singna taba atopa chemical singna mahut silaga CFC singi mahut silaga sina bahan haibadi adu CFC sing main ozone layer depletion to haliba CFC je lehen achi bota atopa chemicals na mahut sila sina ba taragadi ozone layer depletion horoidana adugi damakani aduna haiba point sida ekoi masigi chapter our environment se loire ko next chapter ama kawali madu next class ta yengasi thank you all